Hello, in front of me I have Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. Let's start by opening the settings on our phone. To do it, swipe upwards on the home screen to open the app menu, scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, select the option called display and then tap on the wallpaper. And here we can select basically the folder with wallpapers, and we have live wallpaper sector, photos and wallpapers. Select the one you like. If you select wallpapers, it's gonna open the list of wallpapers on your phone. If you select the live wallpapers, it's gonna open the list of live wallpapers. And if you select photos, it's gonna open the photos app, and you can, for example, use your own picture or something like you download it as a wallpaper. I'm gonna select the wallpapers option, and here we have the list of wallpapers, as you can see. And we have on-device wallpapers, live wallpapers, and my photos. It's basically repeating the this menu for some reason, I don't know why. But I'm gonna select on-device wallpapers, and here we have the wallpapers, as you can see. Find the one you like, tap on it to select it, then tap on the check mark. And here we can select to set it on home screen, lock screen, or both. If you select it on home screen, it's gonna be on the home screen, of course, lock screen, so when the phone is locked, and the home screen and lock screen is on both. I'm gonna select the home screen. Now the wallpaper was set, and as you can see, here we have it. If you want to have something like live wallpaper, you can tap on live wallpapers, find the one you like, tap on it, tap on apply, and again, you can select where to apply it. And here we have the live wallpaper. You can also change the wallpapers in quicker fashion or way. Basically, you can press and hold on the home screen, on the free space on home screen. This menu should pop up. You can tap on wallpapers, and it will open this menu. And if you want to use, for example, your own picture as wallpaper, you can tap on my photos, allow the permission, and it will open the photos app, and you can tap on, for example, camera folder to open it. Find the picture you want to use as wallpaper, tap on it to select it, and again you can move around like this, tap on the check mark, select where you want to set it, and once you're done, it's gonna appear as your wallpaper. And that's how you set up or change the wallpaper on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.